We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox Lite to manage your files efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a simplified interface that's easy to navigate. To upload a file, click on the Upload button at the top right corner. You can choose files from your computer by clicking Files, or if you prefer, you can drag and drop them directly into the browser window. For creating a folder, click New Folder in the sidebar. Name your folder and hit Create to organize your files better. Sharing files is also straightforward. Hover over the file you want to share, click the Share button, and enter the email address of the person you want to share it with. You can set permissions like View Only or Edit Access. To keep track of changes, go to the Activity tab on the left side, where you can see recent activity on your files. This is particularly useful for collaborative work. If you need to free up space, use the Delete option after selecting unwanted files, but remember, they will stay in the trash for 30 days. You can restore them within this period if needed. Dropbox Lite is designed for simplicity, so you can focus on what matters most without unnecessary distractions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.